Very interesting point in text 8. It mentions some of the different personalities that were taking part in the Vamana Puja along with Brahma. And one of them was a character named Jambavan, who is the Riksha Rajatu, the king in the form of a bear, or the king of the bears, Baluraj. This Jambavan is described that he serves the Lord throughout 3 yugas. This description here in 8th canto, chapter 21, verse 8, describes that Jambavan as serving the Lord in Satyuga, serving Lord Vamanadev in his Bali Maharaj Vaman Lila. What is he doing? It says that he's joining in the ceremony, sounding his bugle in all directions. He declared a great festival for Lord Vamanadev's victory. Apparently he's Beri Shabde. Beri is some type of bugle, which apparently it's his bugle, and he blew it loud and clear to announce the Maha Utsav in all the directions, Sarvadikshu. Again, Jambavan appears in Treta Yuga and Ram Lila. He assists Ram. He's one of the bears that join all the monkeys, Sugriva and Hanuman, to attack Lanka and fight with Ram on behalf of Ram against Ravana to retrieve Sita Devi. Jambavan is there in Treta Yuga. Then again, Jambavan comes into Dwapara Yuga and Krishna Lila. So Jambavan is in Vamana's Lila and Satya Yuga, Ram's Lila, Krishna's Lila. And Krishna Lila, he fights with Krishna over the Shamantaka jewel in Dwarka, outside of Dwarka, Satyajit's jewel. And then he realizes after 28 days that he's and can't win, and the Lord can't win either, but Jambavan's getting so tired. So he realizes that none other but his Lord Ram can defeat him. So he recognizes Ram and Lord Krishna and feels very happy and thrilled, and awards Krishna the Shamataka jewel, and then also happily bequeaths his daughter Jambavati to Dwarkadish. Krishna happily accepts the jewel and the jewel-like daughter Jambavati, and she becomes one of the principal queens of Krishna and Dwarka. So in this way, Jambavan also serves in Dwapara Yuga.